Okay, you guys, check this out. This is an old building. And it looks to me like they had a place for you to tie. Oh, at one time it looks like it was gas pumps, doesn't it? But it has hitching posts for tying your horse up. See? I bet this was once a gas station, and then someone made it into a little curio shop or something, and they had that horse plate thing. They're drawn up. Look at this rock work. Isn't that amazing? Let's see here. Look at that. Really good work. Those rocks are in there good. And then we have a back. Looks like there used to be more onto the structure, but it's no longer there anymore. Just go inside. Can't see what I'm getting because of the sun. Oh, there we got it. Just a small little square room. This looks like there was a fire. That's probably what happened to this structure, because there was a fire. Look at that. It was all burnt. Big timbers. Look at this. Big timbers. Wow, cool. Another cool stop on the side of the road that if I wasn't just driving around, I'd miss. Here we go. Nice. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. Please share on your social media. It all helps my channel to grow, and we're trying to get to that 1,000. Let's get there. We're over 635 right now, so we can do it. Peace.